I was like, huh?
Yeah, do it again.
Boing, boing. Boing, boing. Boing, boing. Boing, boing.
Last one more time.
That's a word in Chinese.
Boing, boing. She had to move her pacifier so she can laugh.
You're so funny.
Boing, boing.
Whoa, she actually laughed? Lisa made her laugh.
The first time I hear her laugh.